Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept Chemicals and we're here in the training school today to discuss everything that you'll need to know about detailing a matte finish on a car. So, a matte finish on a car, that could be a matte clear coat, it could be a vinyl wrap. The objective is to keep the surface matte. Okay, so to enable us to keep the surface matte, we don't want to be using products that contain high gloss silicones, waxes with gloss enhancers, or indeed shampoos which contain waxes, because all that's going to do, it's actually going to, well, when you look at it, any surface that you start to wipe and abrade, you're going to start to polish. So our objective is to have, obviously, from a chemical perspective, put chemicals on that surface or that substrate that are not going to actually interfere with the matte finish of the product. So when we look at the on the back bench here, we've pulled a few products out. So we've got traffic film remover, and from a matte finish perspective, this is a product called Typhoon, which does not contain caustic, so it won't damage the surface, even on a matte wrapped vehicle. Yeah. So obviously, when we've used a traffic film remover to degrease the surface, we've got a shampoo, an automotive shampoo, and all this product does is actually generate bubbles. Yeah, it's a surfactant cleaner, so what it does, it cleans the surface, doesn't have any waxes in it, so it won't actually turn a matte finish into a gloss finish. And then finally, in this particular section, we've got a product out of the Surface range, which is a product called Spray Shield. Now, Spray Shield is a detailing product which can be applied to matte or gloss finishes. So if it's a gloss finish, it will actually lift the gloss, it'll make it slightly shinier. If it's a matte finish, it will probably lift the matte finish and make it a shade darker. So what we've actually got a panel here which is a matte finish, and we're going to apply Spray Shield to the surface, then we can actually zoom in just to actually have a look what it does to the finish itself. So what we've got here is we've actually got a matte finish panel, and what I'm going to do with the panel is actually split it in two, section it off, and then we're going to apply the Spray Shield to one half of the panel and then get the light into it to actually see if it's actually made a difference in this particular on this particular panel from a gloss level perspective. So I've applied plenty of product because I don't want you guys to think that I'm cheating. Yeah? So we've got lots of product on there. So all we're going to do now, we're going to distribute the product over the surface area. Buff to a finish, in this case hopefully not, it's going to stay matte. So now Lucas, if you actually come in, I'll pull the masking paper off. So if I actually lift the panel up for you and move it around in the light, you guys should be able to see that it's slightly darker in appearance, but it hasn't brought a shine to the surface. The surface is actually still matte. In fact, the surface is actually more matte now. It's actually got the coating on it, the Spray Shield, than what it was prior. Okay guys, just to give you a quick recap on what we've actually just discussed and demonstrated. We looked at pH neutral products and products that don't contain caustic. So initially it's a pre-wash with the Typhoon, which is a non-caustic traffic film remover, followed by a shampoo, in this instance the Auto shampoo, which does not contain waxes. It's a surfactant cleaning system, so it will generate a nice foaming or level of bubbles, just to give you that luxurious feel when you're cleaning your car down. And then finally, we used a product called Spray Shield out of the Surface range, which is kind of a speed detailing product, which is body shop safe, which can be used on gloss and matte finishes. Now that matte finish could be a matte lacquer or it could be a vinyl wrap. Quick and easy to use, completely body shop safe, and as you've seen from the demonstration, it does not alter the appearance on a matte vehicle. It makes it slightly darker, shade darker, but it will not lift the gloss. Okay guys, if you like the video, or if indeed you didn't like the video, put a comment in the comment section below. If you've got any further questions for future reference or future demonstrations, put them in the comment section and we'll try to answer all your questions as soon as we possibly can.